Do you ever stop and consider the pace at which you're living your life? It's a question that may seem simple on the surface, but when you dig deeper, it unveils a profound reflection of our modern lifestyle. In today's fast-paced society, we're often swept up in a whirlwind of tasks and responsibilities. We're constantly juggling multiple roles, from being a dedicated employee or entrepreneur to a caring family member to a sociable friend. In the midst of all this, we're also striving to fulfill our personal ambitions and dreams. It's like running a never-ending marathon, with the finish line forever out of sight. This lifestyle of constant hustle has become a norm, so much so that we often overlook its implications. We're living in an era where multitasking is glorified, where overworking is seen as a badge of honor, and where self-care is often pushed to the back burner. But have we ever paused to think about the toll this could take on our health and well-being in the long run? The reality is, this relentless pace can lead to a host of issues, both physical and psychological. From stress-induced ailments like high blood pressure and heart disease, to mental health concerns like anxiety and depression, the consequences can be severe. Moreover, this way of life can rob us of the joy and fulfillment we seek. When we're always rushing from one task to another, we rarely have the time or energy to savor the present moment, to truly enjoy the beauty of life. Welcome to the concept of slow living, a lifestyle choice that could transform your well-being. Imagine a world where time is not a tyrant, but a friend. A world where success is not measured by how much you can cram into a day, but by the quality of your experiences. This is the world of slow living. Slow living is a philosophy that encourages us to step off the treadmill of modern life and take a moment to breathe. It's about appreciating the simple things, about being present in the moment and engaging fully with whatever we're doing. It's about choosing depth over breadth, quality over quantity. In our fast-paced society, we often mistake busyness for productivity, and we constantly chase after the next big thing, the next achievement. We're constantly connected, constantly on the go, and yet we often feel like we're running on empty. That's where slow living comes in. Slow living challenges this notion that faster is better. It invites us to shift our focus from doing to being, from consuming to creating. It's not about renouncing progress or turning back the clock. Rather, it's about making conscious decisions about what really matters to us and taking the time to savor those things. Slow living means enjoying a home-cooked meal instead of grabbing fast food on the go. It means reading a book instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media. It means taking a walk in nature instead of sweating it out in a crowded gym. It's about rediscovering the joy of simple pleasures and recognizing that less can indeed be more. Contrary to what the name might suggest, slow living is not about moving at a snail's pace. It's not about laziness or procrastination. It's about intentionality. It's about doing things with purpose, with mindfulness. It's about taking the time to do things right, to fully immerse yourself in the experience, to truly live. So as we navigate through the hustle and bustle of life, let's remember that faster is not always better. That sometimes slowing down can actually help us move forward. That in a world obsessed with speed, choosing to live slow can be a radical act of self-care. Slow living isn't about doing everything at a snail's pace, it's about doing everything at the right pace. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. On this channel you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Now, you might be wondering, how can slow living positively impact my health and well-being? Well, let's dive right into the heart of the matter. One of the most significant advantages of slow living is its positive impact on mental health. When we slow down, we create an opportunity to focus on the present moment. This mindfulness can reduce anxiety and depression, according to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology. By eliminating the constant rush and pressure, we allow our minds to breathe, fostering mental resilience and emotional stability. What's more, slow living can also help reduce stress levels. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many. But when we embrace a slower pace, we give ourselves the chance to decompress and relax. A study in the Journal of Health Psychology shows that people who practice slow living have lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, leading to an overall calmer demeanor and improved well-being. Another benefit is the potential for better quality sleep. By slowing down before bedtime, we can create a calming environment that promotes deep restorative sleep. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine suggests that a relaxed mind before sleep can improve sleep quality and duration, leading to a more refreshed and rejuvenated feeling upon waking. Increased productivity might seem counterintuitive when we talk about slow living, but it's not. When we're not rushing through tasks, we have the chance to focus more intently and produce higher quality work. The Harvard Business Review reported that employees who practiced mindfulness and slow living techniques were more productive and less likely to make errors. Lastly, slow living can enhance relationships. By taking the time to truly engage with others, we can build stronger, more meaningful connections. A study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that individuals who practiced slow living had more satisfying relationships. With these benefits, it's clear that slow living could be a key to unlocking a healthier and happier you. So, how can you start embracing slow living today? Well, let's dive right into it. Slow living begins with mindfulness, the practice of being present in the moment. Start by taking 5 minutes each day to focus solely on your breathing. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your heart, the sensation of the air around you. It might seem simple, but it's a powerful way to center yourself amidst the chaos of daily life. Next, consider decluttering your environment. Clutter, whether physical or digital, can create stress and distract you from what's truly important. Spend an afternoon going through your home or workspace, removing items that no longer serve a purpose. Deleting unnecessary files from your computer or phone can have a similar effect. By creating a clean, organized space, you're setting the stage for calm and focused living. Prioritizing rest is another key aspect of slow living. In a world that often equates busyness with success, it's easy to forget the importance of recharging. But remember, rest isn't just about sleep. It's also about taking breaks throughout the day to relax and refresh. This might mean stepping away from your desk for a few minutes, enjoying a leisurely lunch, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea. And finally, focus on one task at a time. Multitasking might seem like a productivity hack, but it often leads to stress and burnout. Instead, try devoting your full attention to one task before moving on to the next. You might find that you're not only more productive, but also more satisfied with your work. Incorporating these practices into your everyday life might feel challenging at first, but remember, slow living isn't about doing less. It's about doing things intentionally, with purpose and enjoyment. It's about savoring every moment, every interaction, every breath. Remember, slow living is about finding your own pace, not about slowing down to a halt. It's about cultivating a sense of calm and contentment, no matter how fast or slow the world around you might be moving. So take a deep breath and start your journey towards slow living today. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, click on one of our next videos right now, which are linked here. If you like our videos, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment with your opinion about this topic. Stay healthy and see you soon.